Igbo kwenu?
Yeah.
America kwenu?
Yeah.
Indojinil nonu wakwe zonu.
Yeah.
What's going on, everybody? My name is ChukwunonsoCaptures. Ndibanye, ana mikelonu. I'm ChukwunonsoCaptures, aka Mazi. Chakum, aka the photo cosmetic surgeon, and this is another episode of the Igbo Name of the Day giveaway. And so you already know how we do this. Come on, say it with me. We do this to keep our tongues fluent, keep the language alive, and help our brothers and sisters in the diaspora continue to understand their roots. We're gonna give them back the identity that was stolen from them, starting with their names. You see, I got the melanin backdrop up today. All right, so shout out to Winifred. That's right. Let's give it up for Winifred for sending in her Igbo Name of the Day request. So I asked Winifred to describe herself for me, and she gave me a lot of great adjectives, just warm-hearted, kind, friendly, loving, all types of things like that, right? And so I said, you know what? The perfect Igbo name for you is Ezinwanyi. Come on, say that with me. Ezinwanyi. Good. All right, so let's translate that name together. Ezi means like good or best. It's kind of like a superlative, right? And Wanyi means woman. So you put those two together and you get Ezinwanyi, a great woman or a really good woman or a fantastic, like almost like a Wonder Woman. You know what I'm saying? Just an amazing individual who has a lot of great qualities, and a female individual, obviously, right? So Ezinwanyi. Ezinwanyi's names give them the power to be loyal, trustworthy, and very honest. Tag and share this video with all the Ezinwanyis that you know. Thanks. So, let me know what you think. Did I get the translation right? If you speak Igbo too, let me know. Is that a fitting name for her? Feel free to let me know what you think in the comment section below. I'll look forward to hearing what you have to say. So like this video, share with a friend. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and hit the bell notification so you can get a notification anytime that I post a new video. So hit me up on my Instagram DM in the description below and let me know what you think about this Igbo Name of the Day series. If you don't have an Igbo name, don't worry, I'll gift you one. And if you do have an Igbo name because you're Igbo, let me know and I'll feature your Igbo name on the next Igbo Name of the Day episode. All right, thanks. Take care and I will see you.